Hey everyone! Ever wondered how 3D printing works or thought about creating your very own 3D printed objects right at home? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through the fascinating world of 3D printing, and trust me, it's simpler than you might think. First things first, what exactly is 3D printing? Think of it as printing out your documents, but instead of ink on paper, we use materials like plastic, metal, or even chocolate. Yes, chocolate. To create three-dimensional objects layer by layer. This process is also known as additive manufacturing. Now you might be asking, what can I make with a 3D printer? The answer is pretty much anything. From simple household items like a cup holder to complex parts used in cars and airplanes. The only limit is your imagination. Let's talk about the equipment. The core of 3D printing is, of course, the 3D printer itself. There are various types available, ranging from budget-friendly models perfect for beginners to more advanced machines that can print in multiple colors and materials. But a printer alone isn't enough. You'll also need something called filament, which is the material that gets melted and then solidifies to form your creation. PLA and ABS are the most common types of filament due to their ease of use and strength. Now, how do we go from an idea to an actual printed object? It all starts with a design, which you can create using 3D modeling software. Some popular options for beginners include Tinkercad and SketchUp. These programs let you design your object in a virtual space. Once your design is ready, it's time to bring it to life. You'll export your design as a file, typically in a format like STL or OBJ, and then send it to your 3D printer. This is where the magic happens. The printer reads the file and prints your object layer by layer. And voila! After some time, depending on the complexity and size of your design, you'll have your very own 3D printed object. To wrap up, here's a quick tip. Start small. Your first few prints might not be perfect, but that's okay. Every mistake is a learning opportunity. Experiment with different designs and materials, and soon you'll get the hang of it. So, are you ready to start your 3D printing adventure? It's a fun and rewarding hobby that not only lets you create, but also helps you learn about design, engineering, and technology. Dive in, and who knows, maybe I'll be using one of your 3D printed creations in the future. That's it for today, folks. If this guide helped you understand the basics of 3D printing, give the video a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tech tips. Until next time, keep creating and stay curious.